Hello students, wait, where are you going? First solve these questions, then go. I have brought for you some most important MCQ questions of class 9th Math New Ncert books. That is Ganit Manjari from the first chapter, the use of coordinates. So some MCQ questions let us solve. The question number 1 is the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect is called. So students, you know, in a coordinate plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this is the x dash, this is the y dash. Okay, and towards the origin, towards the right side of the origin, all points are taken as positive. Towards left side of the origin, all points are taken as negative. Towards upward of origin, you know, all points are taken as positive, and towards down of origin, all points are taken as negative. So in the first quadrant, you know students, all points are x coordinate point, y coordinate points are positive, and the second quadrant, you know, x coordinate points is negative, y coordinate point is positive, so the coordinate will come minus plus. And the third quadrant, you know students, both x coordinate point, y coordinate points are negative, minus minus. Okay, in the fourth quadrant, the x coordinate point is positive, y coordinate point is negative. Okay, so now we are going to accordingly give the answer. Question number 1, the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect. So x coordinate point, that is x-axis and y-axis, are intersecting at the point O, that is known as the origin. So which option is the correct answer? Option number C is the correct answer, students. Okay, that is the option number C is the correct. Next, question number 2, in which quadrant does the point -5 and 2 lies? -5 and 2 here means the coordinates sign has given minus plus, right? So the minus sign in which quadrant the coordinate of points are minus and plus? In second quadrant, students, in second quadrant. So the answer of this question will be option number B, that is second quadrant. Okay, next, third question, in which point lies on the y-axis? Y-axis का ऊपर कौन सा पॉइंट प्रेजेंट होगा? तो you know students, the options are given 30 means, you know, that is x coordinate point is 3 and y coordinate point is here 0, so the point will be lie here. And option number B, -4 -1, -4 and -1, here it will be lie in the third quadrant. And option number C, 5 and 2, that is both are plus, so the in the first quadrant this 5 and 2 will be lie. Okay, and the option number D, 0 and -6, 0 x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate point is -6. So here the on the y-axis which point will be lie? As you know students, on the y-axis the x coordinate point is 0, so x coordinate point 0 is here, so option number D is the correct answer. Okay, option number D is the correct answer. Then question number 4, students, the distance between the point 2, 3 and 2, 9 is what? As you know the distance formula, students, the distance between 2 points, how can you calculate? There is a formula, that is root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so students, here x2 is what? X2 is 2 and x1 is 2. Yes, this is x2, this is x1, this is y1, this is y2. So if you put this formula, root over of x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 2, that is 0, okay, whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 whole square, whole root. Okay, so 0 square 0, 6 square 36, so 36 is the square root of 6, so answer is 6. So which option is correct answer? Option number A is the correct answer, students. Okay, then question number 5, the midpoint of the line joining between 6 and 2 and 4 and 10. Okay, so 6, 2 and 4, 10, these are the two coordinate points. You have to find out the midpoint. How to find out the midpoint between 2 points? You know the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here students, this is known as x1, this is y1, and this is x2, this is y2. So x1 plus x2, that is 6 plus 4 by 2, 6 plus 4 10 by 2, 5, and y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 10 plus 2, 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So 5 and 6 is the answer. So which option is the correct answer? Option number B is the correct option. Okay, so students, to find such type of question to solve more easiest way, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type of videos. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day ahead.